So, to change how long your computer takes before the display turns off, or before the computer goes to sleep, we'll go to Settings first. Click the Start menu, and then find your settings, or just hit the Windows key and the letter I if you prefer a keyboard shortcut. Once you're in the settings, you'll click System on the left, and then we'll go to the Power and Battery menu. The Screen Timeout setting will be under Screen, Sleep, and Hibernate Timeouts. Click that, and the full list of options will expand. If you're on a laptop, the important thing to note here is that there's separate settings for both when you're plugged into a charger and for when you're running on battery power. On desktops, you'll only have one set of settings, but sometimes laptop users rush through this without realizing they've changed the wrong settings. Also, Screen Off doesn't mean that the computer is off. Screen Off will simply turn off the display to save power, but the computer itself keeps running, with all the active processes staying active. Device Sleep, on the other hand, will both turn off the display and put your computer to sleep, which means active applications will get paused. On some laptops, you'll also see these presence-sensing settings, like automatically turning off the screen when you walk away from your computer. These use a combination of sensors to detect whether there's a person in front of the computer, and they can automatically wake or turn off the display when you're present or stepping away. This laptop, for example, lets me set a distance when I want to be considered away, and a time interval that the computer will take before turning off the display. And that's how you change the screen timeout settings. Click that like button if this helped, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks all.